Hello, welcome to your 13th video on beginning HTML. Today I will be explaining what an attribute is, because in the previous videos we have been using the word attribute and you might be wondering what is an attribute. Before we dive deeper into what an attribute is, I want us to do a little recap of what you've learned so far. As you know, elements are made up of tags. There is an opening tag and there is also a closing tag. Now you might be wondering, what does this tag does, or what do these elements do? Now what an element does is, or a tag does is, it tells the browser how to render the content inside. For example, this p tag, the text inside, as you can see some text in this paragraph. Now when your browser see the tag or the element p, it will render this tag or element as a paragraph. Then we have the heading tag. Now any content inside this heading tag, when your browser sees, it knows you have to render that content as an heading content. Now let's go into attributes. Attributes are used to give more information about the tag. It enables you do more by easily manipulating the tag using CSS, which we will later get to in this course. And note, attributes are specific to a particular tag. What I'm saying is, for example, you can see that our paragraph tag is having an attribute of class, while our image tag is having an attribute of source. I can have more than one paragraph tag and they have different attributes, meaning I can have another paragraph that is having a class of name. I can have another paragraph that is having a class of teacher. Now, each attribute is specific to just that tag the attribute is inside. Now, when it comes to adding attributes, there are three things you should make aware of, meaning I will say three items an attribute entails. Number one is the name of the attributes. For example, for this p tag is the class, this is the name, then followed by an equal sign, then a value. The value might be anything you want. Now, attributes are only put inside the opening tag of a paragraph or an element. You can't put an attribute inside a closing tag. Now, attributes will be much more important when we dive deeper into the CSS tutorial and the JavaScript tutorial. With this little explanation of mine, I hope I've been able to break down what an attribute is and how you use attributes. Thank you.